In part C, researchers believe that streams with higher dissolved oxygen concentrations are generally healthier for wildlife. We need to decide which, according to this data, is healthier, or which of these is better for wildlife, the colder than or warmer than 8 degrees water. And well, what we can see is that the water temperature colder than 8 degrees is healthier. The colder than 8 degrees Celsius is healthier. And then we need to give some sort of reasoning for this. So what we can say is that, well, firstly, we can just visually very easily see that overall the colder water has a higher concentration of oxygen than the warmer water, because we don't have as much, we have more data concentrated over here. We can see that the median as well is 5.43, which means that 50% of the data is only 50% of the data is above it, whereas for the colder one, this is around 11 and 12, which means that 50% of the data is above this. So overall, we expect the colder water to have a lot higher oxygen concentration. So we can say that then the median is much larger for cold water. So again, it's like 11, between 11 and 12 versus 5.43. That's a pretty clear significance, and we can also know the distribution of these concentrations. So we can see that for cold waters, the distribution is skewed to the left. However, for warmer waters, the distribution is skewed right. So skewed left. For warm, it's skewed right, which again just shows that overall we're going to have a higher concentration in the cold waters than in the warm waters.